Etiefo, me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so mesre ende your first time waha. Subscribe na click the notification bell on so. Na ya better senya obeye ewo screen so na we yende sana latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka na trese ye nimu ana ye kono. Now, okay, it will be on your screens right now. Okay, and that screen so yende sa pepe my latest news bi aba wonsa beka. Say me mamoti ase me de audio bi akene de Japan ko asempa. Wone Sami Jemfi disagree here on Nsembia Sami Jemfi aka ato wono Kennedy Japan so. Now the response at Kennedy Japan e de ba na say Sami Jemfi anhwe yi a wono Kennedy Japan e be pen krofo ama wo mo abo eye Sami Jemfi. I told you say saa de no e ya de bia enye because already Kennedy Japan AKB eto ametuale so ama nkrofo boni bi e de kofa ho ekun ametuale ende nkrofo bi e bo Kennedy Japan din se enam ne so Emma Trese ametuale wewu na amasa Sami Jemfi so aba abonten aba responde to nsemu a Kennedy Japan e de atodwa no na one Sami Jemfi e ka tre eye Asempa FM4 say Asempa FM4 ade na wo mo ye no enye in the sense any other person ye bibi na ana any other person ye enyama Kennedy Japan ya omo kaseti asan nipa kro no nanso Kennedy Japan nkwan ya no mo ayekom no mo hwe no Kennedy Japan ba online no be didi nkrofo atama no mo ayekom no mo hwe no oba online be threatening nkrofo a no mo ayekom no mo hwe no but we be fufuro yes ade ne pe ne ye kaseti ana. And I've told you guys that particular thing on this channel on several times on several occasions say it is not only with Asempa Ghana has say yankasa sa na yete we hold a different standard for Kennedy Japan than we hold for any other person. Se Kennedy Japan ye nyame bia beka second year sa na ote ye njan no nanso obi koye that same thing na ya attack ni pa kro no sa na ye ni na Ghana for yete na Sami Jemfi aka to just say wono opese was send message e koma Kennedy Japan say wono Sami Jemfi wo hu ade a ya Kennedy Japan wo ye say wo kan we tre wo bi kan we tre bi na nkrofo osuro na wono Sami Jemfi wo nsuro Kennedy Japan wende ensuro no ochena Kennedy Japan pa wonye de obeye no no Sami Jemfi no wo nsuro no because nyankopon abone ho ban yenkotie Sami Jemfi ono so nsema wo de tuya
a disappointment in Ekosisen. Let me not personalize.
Ekosisen on Asempa FM.
As a stakeholder, somebody when me dim come up the bamboo feel even a press conference, you know, it was live on your platform. Na mama ho kwan. Emma Kennedy Japan MP for Asen Central. Ebamu studio ebe hipu those kind of raw insults and threats against me. Well, see, I am not really worried because Obi in Kennedy Japan, that is who he is and that is how he is. But Obi, and you say encourage Sanyamawi. The last time Kennedy Japan had certain media platforms to threaten the lives of people like Ameswali, threat of harm is a second degree felony. It is a crime. And so when people always, when they disagree, when you disagree with some agency, you in your mind, you are doing to me. Can what dear? That's some agency in Canada. No, what challenges some agency? You see, Asen Central. I before have not been prevented. Let's say now the evidence about. Mama date, mama time, my child baby see here. So there's here. My child saying you had do Asen Central. Aquantium Asen Central during the first stage. Mama polling stations, any GCC will hold now. Then we can have
a on Asempa
FM. Baby. But because you disagree with Sami Jemfi, Kennedy Japan, you have never met me. You sit on radio and say all manner of things, raw insults, and issue threats. And it is very primitive, it is very backward, and we should not encourage things like that. I am not one of the people who is afraid of Kennedy Japan. Not because I am violent like him. I am a peaceful young guy. I am passionate about national affairs, and I want to contribute my quota through the party to help the development of this country. But I'm not afraid of him because I have God on my side. And he can go about issuing his stress. And if Ekosisen will always avail their platforms to him to threaten people, and in some cases are leading to the murder of people, we leave it to more editorial discretion and the good people.
So, I mean, your concern well noted, except to say, sir, if you argue on the line, sir, yeah, allow Noma okay, answer, that might not be fair to us. You've watched the video, you saw the efforts we put in to stop him muting his mic and all of that. And you should also capture that and so to make a fair argument.
Oh, that's the only point. I saw that in 2 instances you muted his mic. But anytime you did that, he came back again to even say Western. And in fact, it was just this morning that I went on YouTube to watch the video because yesterday I got home very late. But Obi, I am just saying that I know you are a stickler for an elevated public discourse. And when we come on that platform, there are certain levels we don't go to. Nobody, MPP, NDC, can dare say the kind of things Kennedy Japan is always allowed to say on the Kusi saying. You understand? So I am only asking for some consistency, some principle, some sanity, so that we can discuss issues and stay away from this stress. And when I did my press conference, I didn't insult anybody. But no credit. People are uncomfortable with the truth. And they are uncomfortable with some of us who are defying all intimidation to speak the truth to them. That is their own problem. That will not deter us. That will not intimidate us. We will continue doing what we are doing for God. And
you, the NDC, have been on a campaign of highlighting hate just for vote into a campaign of pitching some Ghanaians against other Ghanaians just for more votes. Now really move blown your man out of proportion.
Okay. Obi, so why are you actually even before you came to Accra, you were doing this job?
Yes.
What is the President Mahama? What raising issues about the harassment of non-accounts? What is that? So what's it been in your work as a journalist? How they capture me? Until now, what is the President Mahama raising any issue about ethnocentric discrimination and harassment against non-accounts? What is the Minister Emergency? My press conference on ethnic discrimination and harassment of non-accounts and other Ghanaians? What is that? What is the NDC playing Kebida? So it cannot be true, sir. NDC for the here, we are just inciting ethnocentric, flames against this government. It is not true. Obi, we started from phase 1 of the exercise. As a party, you are very reluctant to speak about them because you know how funny these issues are. But they are air corner any yai and say, yam pound to man can once more. Bonena cost another cost wakoso. So say Obi Pesi Becca once more. And you once can. But you cannot say, whilst you are beating people, some people have been stabbed. And I'm so glad Manipa Bakwu, a whole community made up of over 42,000 Ghanaians are being disenfranchised. What say, as an opposition, highlights it means we are fanning ethnocentric passions. And you think you cool George Floyd. You as a Puchimemuno. Or Black Lives Matter protest. Because by embarking on those protests, could someone have also said, hey, they were fanning racial flames and no, that was not the objective. They were rather exposing those who were engaged in racism. And that is the same thing we are doing here. We are exposing those Ghana for they are the owners of Ghana. And until so being or no kasa what's here. Let us say nipa calling your Ghana and was so could register. Now say nipa no insist on his right. I was see a bolu prano and the kekaho. Okay, let me give you some instances. And maybe you should tell Freddie Blay and the MPP people who are speaking like that, and they should go to these areas. As answer me, no. No monko country almost say we shouldn't highlight these issues because yes, we'll be fanning, ethnocentric flames. Shebanda constituency, the Ekosoho. Obi me sure say one video of uniforms, omukita ammunition. Omako voter registration center. No madam, you citizenship inspectors. no more question people in the queue where they come from. It prevents a lot of people at that center from registering. Ewa banda. And will lead it to a confrontation between Omoni Esiakwahene of Banda Hinkru. Obi, when was that video? No?
Yeah, I've seen that video. That was the video your leader shared on his Facebook timeline.
Yes.
Yeah.
Esiakwahene no oyakani. Onye ndisi no onye MPP. Oyohini mua ewo mpatemu ho. Ohe ntenchi a yedidi yenu yanoma wonafo ewo ho a. Se there be way to say mfata. 1919, long before the Gold Coast became Ghana, and yenu yanoma ibefo eba area ha because of fishing edima ye no bunishu so. Oma betra ma ye ni oma ware awo a ye nipa baako. Wo bandan yi fie kura no ya mo akonya omo hene a ye fe no na nakapa. Ye ni omo ne tie wo ye nipa baako. But omo tie no eye Ghana. And main border baby omo tie no